Omnistudio, an industry-specific tool that offers a wide range of benefits including creating guided user experiences without needing to know how to code, streamlining the integration of external data, providing users with contextual information at a glance. The tool uses a JSON structure to render information on the UI with CSS styling on top. While this system requires some basic knowledge of JSON, it's also easy to get started. Omnistudio was originally known as Velocity and was natively built over the Salesforce platform. Later, it was acquired by Salesforce in February 2020 for $1.33 billion and got rebranded under its current name. The product uses the MVC architecture, with the Salesforce org acting as the model, Omniscript and Flexcard as the view, and Dataraptors and integration procedure acting as the controllers. Here's a brief look at each of these components. Flexcard provides a single view of information to the end users with quick access to key details such as to show account information with related contexts, weather forecast using the REST API calls, and quick actions for additional tasks. Omniscript, on the other hand, is used for things like a form or a guided process that walks user through a specific task. For example, we could have a form built using Omniscript that first gets personal information and then asks for additional details based on the user's choice using conditional rendering. Dataraptors are powerful tools for retrieving, creating, and updating data within Salesforce. Integration procedures combine multiple background actions into a single process, usually to generate a single output or to complete a backend task. For instance, let's say the Flexcard is backed by an integration procedure, which will first get the account and the related context using a Dataraptor, then do a REST callout to get the weather information and return the response back to the Flexcard. In general, Omnistudio offers a more advanced way to work with the Salesforce data than traditional Salesforce flows, with the use of a wide range of tools and resources such as Salesforce queries, Apex classes, REST API callouts, streaming APIs, and much more as source of information. To make things more interesting for developers, Flexcard can also be downloaded as LWC components that can be placed within or outside of the Salesforce platform. Furthermore, developers can extend and modify the out-of-the-box elements by creating a custom LWC, importing the element in the JavaScript, and adding a runtime namespace to the LWC component's metadata XML file. Migrating Omnistudio components between environments can be done two ways. Firstly, using the Velocity build package, which is ideal for a CI/CD approach. This package offers commands that can be integrated into deployment pipelines. Secondly, using the IDX workbench, which is a declarative approach that helps you retrieve and deploy Omnistudio components between environments, including Apex dependencies. Additionally, it can also push Omnistudio metadata files to a given repository. This has been Omnistudio in 100 seconds. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Check out the video description to get started on Omnistudio, and do let me know if you want in-depth walkthrough of each Omnistudio component. Until next time, be safe and take care. Peace.